When it comes to keeping your car's interior clean, we get a lot of questions about these two products, Cockpit Premium and Plastic Deep Cleaner. They seem like really similar products, but they actually have two very different jobs. So which one do you use and when? Let's break it down. Let's start off with Cockpit Premium. Cockpit Premium is an interior cleaner for surfaces like your dashboard, armrests, door panels, audio nav screens, and instrument cluster gauges. It gently lifts away dust, fingerprints, and light dirt without the use of heavy detergents. But it's not just about cleaning. It also leaves behind a subtle, non-greasy, factory-fresh finish. Plus, it doesn't have any silicone oil in it, so you can spray it on surfaces like your shift knob, your steering wheel, and rubber floor mats without the risk of a slippery finish. No shine, no oily residue, no artificial look. Just clean surfaces that makes your car look like the day it rolled off the assembly line. So in short, Cockpit Premium is your go-to for regular maintenance cleaning and keeping that original factory look. Now, what about Plastic Deep Cleaner? Plastic Deep Cleaner is a different tool for a different job. It's designed to remove deep embedded grime, body oils, food stains, stubborn dirt from high-touch areas. So think steering wheels, shift knobs, armrests, seat belts, door pulls, and rubber floor mats and footwell panels. It's for those high action areas that need a stronger cleaning punch. So let's sum it up. Use Cockpit Premium for regular cleaning and to maintain that fresh factory look. Use Plastic Deep Cleaner when you need serious cleaning power to remove heavy grime buildup in those high-touch zone areas. Different tools, different jobs. When you use each one the right way, your car's interior will not only look better, it'll last longer. Want more simple car care tips? Subscribe and stay tuned. We'll keep helping you keep it clean with Nextzett.